the Fujifilm X-T3, the Moment Cinebloom filter, and the SLR Magic CINE 50mm T 2.2 lens. A mouthful. Towards the end of this video, you will see that I put a few clips together to make a little sequence. Now, disclaimer, this lens that I'm using is a manual lens only, meaning that there is no autofocus communication between this lens and the Fujifilm X-T3. So in this video, I want to show you guys some behind the scenes action when I'm out taking some photos or recording some videos. Also, I want to make sure that I show you guys the behind the scenes clip, then follow that up immediately with the result of what you just saw. All right, let's do this. All right, wait a minute, wait, come back. Nope, come back. I want to get you. Oh, you gotta be a cool guy, huh?
Here's my make me invisible shade. I think still recording.
Yeah.
Okay. So you can have a look.
Let me have you. Hold on, wait a minute. All right, let me get you in some sunlight. Right here. Stay right there.
Even with my empty cup?
I'm not getting the cup. I got from Carhartt up. However the hell you say that. All right. Oh yeah, I'm gonna push this real. Okay. Yes, sir. With my focus right.
That's right. You're cooking me in the sun.
Oh wow. Oh, you laughing at my movements? Okay. All right, that's good. Shut up. No, I did my leg day today at the gym actually. In case you missed that, he said it's leg day. This has audio. This should have audio, right? Okay. Oh, shoot. Oh, I don't even have it ready yet.
No one looks worse eating a donut on film.
You're probably like, that's it? Yeah, that's it. It wasn't a banger, but it's just something that I put together real quick. Reminder, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you under the comment section in this video as well as future ones to come.